Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to check long-running queries or frequently running queries in Microsoft Fabric Lakehouse Tables. So here we are in the Fabric environment and we are going to go to the workspaces and then select the workspace. I'm going to check the sales workspace. Inside the sales workspace, what I have created different folders to manage my different items. One of the folder I call it Lakehouse. Now once I click on the Lakehouse, then I will be seeing two Lakehouses, Sales Lakehouse and TechBrothers Lakehouse. I'm going to check the TechBrothers Lakehouse. So once we click right there, it's going to open an environment that's going to show you new semantic model, open a new notebooks, manage your one lake, data access and all that. But we are interested into the SQL analytical endpoint. So it's going to open a different interface once we select that, and you can see right there now it has changed that part. Now it is shown as schemas and then it is shown as a DBO schema, and then it is shown as different tables I have right there. Now if you go right here on top, it says query activity. If I click right there, it is showing me query runs, and then you can see a lot more details. You can filter by the duration, status, and everything. So you can see everything from there. Here you can see under the run sources of where the query was run from. So it is a SQL Server Management Studio, or it is in my case it is in this Fabric warehouse. So you can also take a look on the different queries. Let's say I want to see about this query. This is I can't read the whole thing here, so once I click right there, it is going to show me that query. So you can copy to the clipboard, and then you can run it again or whatever you want to do with that query. Now we are going to hit OK here, and we are going to go back to the long running queries. So this is a great information that tells you, median run duration, and it is a query right here. Then you have a run count and last run duration and last run distribution statement ID and last run session ID. So let's say I'm interested in a run count and or a median run duration. This is a query I was running. So let's say if I click on that query, I can see that query, and then copy and then execute again if I like to. Now if I will go to the frequently running queries, it's going to show me all those frequently running queries. Now this is great information, and this will help you to find out all the long running queries or frequently running queries and do some performance tuning on those. Now there is another way. It is called Query Insight, and if you click right there, and there are 4 views available for us. So there is the exact request history, there is the exact session history, and then frequently run queries and long running queries. So if you click on these 3 dots and click new query and select 100 rows, and this is going to give you a lot of information. So let's take a look here. So you have a database, you have submitted time, and you have start time, you have end time, and then total elapsed time in a millisecond. You have a login name and the row count and the query successful or not. So you have tons of this information that you can use from here. This is very detailed. You can always go ahead and if you want to say like, hey, open in Excel, get the full content results in Excel worksheet, you can do that. Explore this data preview, view the full contents in graphically, you can do that as well. And then you can always go ahead and copy results with the column name, copy result names. And if you want to filter something, let's say you want to find hey, I want to find all the rows where are 500 or something. So now if you will say 544, and it's going to only filter the wherever it will find that information. So this is very helpful. So this clause is applied on all the records here. So if I will be looking into the 1944, right? So 1994. So if I do that, so it's gonna filter the session. So you don't have to say where clauses and all that. You can just simply put a value here, and it's gonna filter those records wherever find any value matching in any of the column. So use these views, they are very helpful. And then or if you can always go to the query activity and take a look from there as well. So I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.